Students, we have started a chapter in English course book, that is chapter number 8, A Fairy with Horns, written by Indian famous writer and poet Ruskin Bond. Now students, this story is about a love and affection between a goat and a boy. The boy loved the goat very much. He found the goat near the stream where he used to go, and there he watched the man and women's work. Okay, so one day he found the goat, and then what happened after that we have learnt all these things in our explanation part of this chapter. So today we will do the question answers of the chapter. So the first question is, what did the author do when he understood that the goat could not cross the stream? Author means the boy who found the goat one day near the stream. Now this is the beginning part of the chapter. When the boy saw that there was a goat, he wanted to become free from the goat. But when he started to go to his home, the goat followed him. Now the boy is scared that if the goat would go with him, then his grandmother will become angry, because the grandmother didn't like the pet animals, because they had already too many pets at their home, and the grandfather loved the pet. That's why there were too many pet animals at the home. So what did he do when he saw that the goat was not able to cross the stream? So the answer will be, the author carried the goat across the stream in her arms. When he realized that it would not able to cross the stream, the goat was too small and too tiny, and her legs were thin. She would not able to cross the stream by herself. That time the boy helped her. Now next question is, what was the grandmother's reaction when she first saw the goat? Now when the goat entered in the house, and then the grandmother saw, what was her first reaction towards the goat? So the answer will be, the grandmother was angry. She was not happy, as she did not want more animals to take special care of them in her house, because already she had too many pet animals in her house, and she had to take care of all the animals. So she didn't want to take care of one more animal in her house. That's why she was angry. She was annoyed at the boy. Now next question we have, what was the goat named and why? Okay, after some time when the goat used to live there in the house, then what was her name and why the boy gave that name to the goat? So the answer is, the goat was named Tinker Bell, and this is the name of a fairy in the famous story of Peter Pan. Okay, so the boy liked the goat very much. She was very soft, and her movements were like that of the fairy. Okay, she jumped, she leaped. So that's why the boy gave this name to the goat. So the answer is, the boy was named Tinker Bell after the fairy from the story about Peter Pan. The author was reminded of a fairy from the delicate and light look and movements of the goat. Okay, so the next question we have, where did the cook take Tinker Bell? Now at the end of the story, where the grandmother was very annoyed, and she ordered the cook to sold the goat in the marketplace at any cost. So the cook took the goat with him, and he said false at home that she had already sent the goat to someone. But after some time, he told the boy that the goat was with him at his home. He didn't give the goat to someone in the market. He took the goat with himself at his home. Now that time the boy was very happy, and the boy used to go to the cook's house to meet the Tinkerbell, the goat. Okay, so the answer will be the grandmother ordered the cook to take her straight to the bazaar and sell her at any price to the first customer who came along. Later, but after some time, when he did all these things, and after some days, he told to the author means the boy, that he had brought the goat himself at his house. Okay, so after this question answers, we will do one long question also. So the question is, why did the goat birth Aunt Mabel? Okay, when the goat got the horns, okay, so she started to birth the persons. Bird means kicking hard with the horns. So she was trying to kicking with the horns. So why did the goat birth Aunt Mabel? So Aunt Mabel was in a habit of bending over flower pots and holding brief conversations with the flowers. Okay, Aunt Mabel was a friend of the boy's grandmother. She came one day and she was in a habit of talking to the flower pots, and she said it helped them means the plants grew faster. She had a thinking that if she would talk to the plants, then they will grow faster. That was the reason that she was talking to the flower pot. Now she was bending over a pot. She started to talking to a geranium. Now Tinker loved the leaves of this plant. Okay, when she became grow, she started to eat the leaves of the plants of the garden. So when she saw that she thought that the aunt was eating the leaves, and when she saw that someone was eating the leaves of her like flower, that time she birthed the Aunt Mabel. She birthed that time Aunt Mabel. So the answer is, when Tinker suspecting that aunt was eating the leaves, she thought aunt was eating the leaves, but that time aunt was not eating the leaves. She was talking to the leaves of the plant. Decided to birth. Okay, that is the answer. So I will repeat the answer again. Aunt Mabel was in a habit of bending over flower pots and holding brief conversations with the flowers. She said it helped them grow faster. She was bending over a pot, talking to a geranium. When Tinker, suspecting that aunt was eating the leaves, decided to birth. So students, I hope these question answers are totally understood to you. So that's all in today's lesson. Have a nice day.